This is the main database file for Family Tree Maker. If you don't have the software, you can import this file into Ancestry.com to view your tree online. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's upload it. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the FTM file. I'll reveal it at the end. An FTM file is a data file created by Family Tree Maker, a genealogy software program. It stores family history information, including names, dates, places, relationships, and media files, photos, documents, related to individuals and families. FTM files allow users to build, organize, and share their family trees. FTM files use a proprietary database format to efficiently store and manage genealogical data. The file structure includes tables for individuals, families, events, sources, and media. Family Tree Maker provides tools for importing and exporting data in standard genealogy formats like GEDCOM, allowing for data exchange with other genealogy software. The tool most commonly used for creating FTM files is Family Tree Maker by Software McKeeve. The file's embedded tracks and streams require a specialized reader for full playback. Windows supports standard playback, but advanced processing requires specialized tools. We'll start by checking the obvious candidates. Right-click your FTM file and select Open With. If Family Tree Maker is installed, use that. If not, choose another program. A simple test sequence will get results. When a FTM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the FTM problem. First, use Family Tree Maker. Open the file using Family Tree Maker, the required application for the genealogy project. Next, check version. Ensure your Family Tree Maker version is compatible with the version that created the file. Finally, export to GEDCOM. Use the software's export function to save the file as a universal format like Dart, GED, GEDCOM. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.